Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be viewing data. To view the data and the details about the data we have in our workflow, we're going to use the Browse tool. So from the tool palette, I click on the Browse tool and drag that onto the canvas to the proximity of the input tool, so that a connection is established. So if I let go of the Browse tool, you can see that a connection has been established between the input tool and the Browse tool. I'm going to run the workflow by clicking on the Run button. The Browse tool displays all the records in the result window, regardless of the size limit. The Browse tool enables you to view all the data from the columns and the rows of your connected data source in your workflow. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.